and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to come. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to say. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely night. I love you, baby, trusting me when I say, oh pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby, let me love you. Hello, happy Friday evening. I have been very serious this week because I was challenging myself, and so when I don't want to do the tidy up, I just keep practicing guitar, and then so far this is the best I can play about this song. And yeah, now I should go to bed because tomorrow I want to do a little bit more work when my son is with his daddy. But see, I don't want to go to bed, so I'm just stay up and practice guitar. I hope you all have a really good weekend, and yeah, nice weekend. See you next week. Bye.